Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another grammar class with Miss Hello. Today, we're going to discuss a new topic, which is the common nouns and proper nouns. So, buckle up and get ready. Let's go. So, let's just now recall with each other what is a noun. Well, a noun is a word that names either a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. For example, when I say teacher, the word teacher itself is considered to be a noun. Why? Because teacher refers to a person. Whereas if I took another example, which is the word park. Okay, so what is park? Is it an animal, thing, place, or a person? It is a place. And therefore, since park is a place, then it is considered to be a noun. Very good. Now, moving to the final word, which is book. Okay, so when I say book, do I consider the word book a noun? Yes. Okay, so what is the reason? Because the word book names a what? Does it name a person, place, thing, or an animal? Yes, it names a thing. Very good. So this is the main reason why we consider certain words as nouns, because they either refer or name a person, animal, place, or thing. Very good. Okay, now moving to the actual title that we really need to dive into, which is the common nouns. This is the first part of our title. So what is a common noun? Well, a common noun is a general name, so it is not capitalized unless it is the first word in a sentence. Well, this is an additional information, but what we need to know for now is that common nouns are general names. What do we mean by that? For example, if I gave you the word girl, okay, now you're going to tell me, oh, teacher, it is considered to be a noun because it names a person. I say that's correct, but am I being specific? Like, am I actually mentioning a girl's name? Do I know the girl that I'm referring to? Or I'm just saying girl. So it could be any girl in the world. It could be any girl in the world. So it is something common. Okay, so the same thing goes to the word city. We can have any city in the world. We can talk about any city in the world. But when I'm saying city itself, am I referring to any specific city? No. So therefore, when we have a lot of possibilities, therefore we will be considering that we have the common noun. Very good. So the same thing goes also to the word dog. I could be referring to any dog in the world. I could be referring to a chihuahua or to a bulldog. I can be referring to any single dog in the entire universe. So am I being specific, or it's something very general? Something very what? General, yes. So another example, which is going to be a sentence in a sentence form. I saw a dog in the park. So, of course, we have the dog and we have the park. They are nouns, but the question is, what kind of nouns? They are common nouns. And why? Because they refer to general names. So this means that I don't know what dog are we talking about, and the same thing goes to the park. We don't know what park are we also referring to. Now the second part of the title, which is the proper nouns, which is definitely the very opposite of the common nouns. So what is a proper noun? Well, a proper noun names something specific. So it always starts with a capital letter. Okay, so for example, when I say Sarah, Sarah is a word that names a person. Okay, but does it name like a general person, like, or I'm specifying the person I'm referring to? I'm being specific. When I say Sarah, I know what person I am referring to. So that's why I'll consider Sarah as a proper noun. Why? Because the word Sarah is referring to something specific. And definitely when it comes to this second note, which is it always starts with a capital letter. So the word Sarah or any other name, wherever it is located in a sentence, I will always keep the first letter in the uppercase form. So the same thing goes to Paris. Paris is a city, right? So am I being specific, or Paris could be something very general? So it's the name of a city. So Paris just like Saida, just like Nablus, all these are considered to be cities, and therefore they are proper nouns. Why? Because there are specific cities. Okay, same thing goes to Greenwood School. Okay, so what's that? Greenwood School. What's this? I am referring to a specific place. So therefore I'll consider Greenwood School as a proper noun. So now I'm gonna read for you this sentence. I saw Sarah in Central Park. So you'll consider that Sarah is written in the uppercase form. I'm referring, of course, to the first letter. And the same thing goes to the Central Park. Also, the beginning letter of the word Central Park is definitely uppercase because Central Park itself is a proper noun. Why? Because it is referring to something specific. So that's it, actually. You've got this, guys. So, guys, this marks the very end of our lesson. Hope you found it concise and easy. See you later in our upcoming videos. Goodbye.